Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a miniature house, this one here, out of a plastic cup using coloured card. I have used felt on this one, but you can just use yellow card as well, some glitter and some glue. So a cool little house to make for the kids and with the kids as well. So what you're waiting for, folks, let's roll the video. Okay, right guys, so to make our little house, you're going to need a plastic cup, some glitter, coloured card, scissors, pen and some glue. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to start off with the roof of the house first. Now obviously I used this red card here. You can use any colour you want. I'm going to use this as a template, so what you can do, you can just see where you just match it up to the corner there, and you are going to measure probably at least 8 centimeters each side, so 8 centimeters there, and then 8 centimeters there, and then just connect the two like so, and then just cut that out. Do that twice and you'll end up with 2 little roofs for the house. Then you want to cut out a tiny square of a different colour. Obviously I use this one. Measure it how you like. This was a 4x4 square, so you want 2 of those like so. Now obviously for the middle part of them, so you can get some felt. I used these little felt pieces here. You can use your yellow card as well, but I use those. You want to do small little squares so that they become the windows, the light coming in through the window. So we're going to stick those on like so. They become the windows like that. You're going to do like a little rectangle square, which is probably 4 centimeters by 2. Cut that out from your card. That's going to be your door. Another yellow one. That's going to be the light coming in through the door like so. And then on a different coloured card, you want to cut out a few little flower shapes. Just do a couple of flower shapes on your card. Cut those out and then just colour in the centre with some green, so you've got a few little flowers on there as well. And then we're going to stick all these on. We're going to put some glue around the edges and then sprinkle the glitter on top. Very simple one to do. You can make like a little row of these little houses. It's very fun to do, it is, with the kids. So I'm just going to quickly glue these on. So there's that one done. Another door. Like I say, you don't have to use the felt. I use the felt because it's a good sensory item for the kids. They like the feel of the felt with the kids in my class. So there's that and that. Those are done. Now we're going to do some of the glitter. So I'm going to use this card here just to sprinkle the glitter on. I'm going to get the glue, put it on the edges. So you've got your glue on there now. Get glitter, sprinkle that on. This just gives it that grassy effect, it does. Move that up a bit. So we have the glitter for our grass. Put that to one side now, don't need that. Now we're going to stick the windows on. You can put one next to it. Got 2 little windows. Then we're going to stick the door on. Stick a few of the flowers on. You don't have to have the flowers. You can get already like stickers of flowers and things like that. You can stick those on as well. And we'll stick the roof. Like I say, you make like a load of these and they can create their own little fairy houses. Put make a few little trees and things like that. And there we have it. Own little miniature house from a paper cup. A miniature home. Thank you again for watching, guys. I'll see you again soon.